So here we are, 4/10/2021. A new year, new times. Everybody's getting the vaccine. Beautiful Southern California in the springtime. No rain, no nothing, dry. But everybody hopefully is making it through. And it is a beautiful day. So here we are. Thomas has a new version of the Sunbird. Extended fuselage, extended nose. Balance is much nicer. It's lighter, stronger, carbon fiber in some parts. My old one still going strong. Haven't flown it that much. Got the IHE up here today. So it's pretty windy, very nice. And we're about ready to toss this thing off. We'll see what happens. Yay, COVID, commercial flights are starting. So I will stand back a little bit. Man, breeze is strong. All right, Thomas, few words. Your beautiful Sunbird.
Godspeed.
Yeah, Godspeed. All right, dude. It looks great.
Should we show it off once?
Go ahead. It's your plane. You want to say anything about it?
Oh, just a Dave Thorson Sunbird with extended nose. And everything else is classic, I guess. New kind of coloring. Do the wing check. Looks like enough travel.
We didn't laser cut anything on this, did we? No.
Just just two of the dihedrals.
Oh, that's right.
Because they fell out of the kit.
Mm-hmm.
So we cut it out of 32nd ply. No, 64th ply.
That's right.
And some modifications, just some reinforcing around the mid area. But other than that, it's kind of stock. Some carbon fiber.
In the weakest part.
Carbo weaves right here, one on either side. So ½ inch by, I'd say, 2 inches.
Nice.
And then just C8 right in there. So hopefully strong.
Sweet.
An orange and white monocoque.
Looks beautiful. Very retro.
There you go.
Looks very clean. This is the first flight.
First flight. I mean,
here we go.
I tossed it at the park, and it seems to glide well. So here we go.
So really, this is the first slope flight.
Here's the Maiden.
So here we are.
All right, ready?
Yep. It's all yours, man.
1, 2,
Got
3,
the hill.
Hey, you know what? I think it works.
Hey, what do you know? It flies. I got the sunglasses in my mouth so I can see the screen. Shit, I heard the hawks. The hawks are pissed.
66 feet.
To tell you the truth, I've lost it now. Yeah. It definitely makes a difference having that color. Oh, she fly. Oh, you're skying out.
Can't complain. Let me just say that. Let me see if I can do a turn.
It looks great. Unfortunately, it's so high the camera can't zoom in enough now.
That's all right.
So.
Wow, dude. I guess it worked out. I guess I built it right.
It's already specced out.
Just enough weight too, and it's light.
Can't even see it now. So it's time for me to go fly. Good job, dude.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Thank you. All right. It feels good. Wow. Now it's just all about the weather and my flying.
If the camera could see it, which I don't know if it can or not.
Well,
oh shit, that hawk is way the hell up there.
The ridge is good. The weather is perfect.
Well, look at that hawk. Go chase it. All right, I'm going up.
Go up.